First, check to see if your monitor is broken. Why? Well, if the monitor is broken and the screen has cracks in it, it may flicker or flash. Something else you should do is check to see if you have the correct refresh rate set for your monitor. To do that, click the Start button and then type Display Settings in the search field. And then select Display Settings from the search results. And now scroll down and then click Advanced Display Settings. And now on this screen, click Display Adapter Properties. Alright, so now go to the Monitor tab and then go to where it says Monitor Settings and Screen Refresh Rate. And then from there, choose the refresh rate that is meant for your PC. Now by default, Windows should have done this, but go ahead and choose a refresh rate and click Apply. And if you see that the screen flickering stops, then this may be the solution you need. But if it doesn't stop, well, then something else is causing the problem. To find out what is the real cause of the problem, we are going to do a little test by using the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, simply hit Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. Or you can go to the taskbar. Right-click an empty spot on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. If you see this small window, click More Details to enlarge the Task Manager. Of course, if you have this problem, your screen should currently be flickering. Now look at the Task Manager. Look at this. Is it flickering or not? If the Task Manager is flickering, it means that your computer's display driver needs to be updated. And if the Task Manager is not flickering, it means a recent program or app you've installed is causing this. Alright, let us begin with the display driver issues. If it's an app that's causing your problem, we'll talk about that later on. And now we are going to remove and update the graphics card software. And to do that, click the Start button and then type Device Manager in the search field. And then select Device Manager from the search results. Now go to where it says Display Adapters and click this little arrow next to it. And now you should see the default graphics card for your PC. In my case, as you can see, is the NVIDIA Quadro K600. And on your PC, it may be Intel Integrated Graphics or some other graphics card. Now what you have to do is right-click that graphics card and then choose Uninstall Device. And now you should see this little warning dialog box which says you're about to uninstall this device from your system. But don't worry about this because Microsoft has a backup basic driver software for your PC in case the one from the manufacturer is not working, remove, or is not available. Go ahead and click this box that says delete the driver software for this device and then click uninstall. And now Windows will remove the display driver. And once it's done removing the display driver, it's going to make you restart your computer. And after restarting, the screen flickering should stop. But you may realize, although the screen flickering stopped, the display does not work at the same level it used to. And now to fix this, you should perform a Windows update. Windows will get the latest drivers designed for your graphics card. To do that, click the Start button and then type Updates in the search field. And then select Check for Updates in the search results. And this will open up the update settings. And now click Check for Updates. And during this process, Windows will install the latest drivers for you. Now in a different video, I showed several ways of updating your graphics card. So if you have not seen it already, please click the link in the video description. Now, what if it's an app that's causing the screen flickering? Now, according to Microsoft, some apps have been known to cause this problem. And some of these are Norton Antivirus, iCloud, and IDT Audio. To remove those apps, all you have to do is click the Start button and then type Apps and Features, or you can type Add or Remove Programs. And this will open the system settings and show you all of the apps you have installed on your PC. So if you know the app that's causing the issue, from this list you can remove it. Simply click an app and then choose Uninstall to remove it. Alright, what if this doesn't work? What if this problem started a few days ago and you are not sure which app is causing this issue? Well, what you can do is a system restore. You can roll back Windows to several days or several weeks ago. To do that, simply right-click the Start button. That's right, right click the start button and then choose run. This will open up a little dialog box, and then in this text field you want to type rstrui.exe. If you can't memorize this, don't worry, I'll include it in the link in the video description. So now hit enter or click OK, and this will open up System Restore. What's great about System Restore is the fact that it rolls back your apps and settings, but it does not delete your system files. So click next, and now you should see several days or even weeks you can roll back to. So choose a restore point and then click next, and then click finish to complete the system restore. What if this doesn't work for you as well? Well, as weird as this sounds, sometimes disabling Windows error reporting services have been known to fix this issue. To do this, all you have to do is click the start button and then type system configuration in the search field. And now select system configuration from the search results, and this will open up the system configuration tool, and from there click the services tab. And now to make things easier on yourself, to find things easier, click the column that says services, so that way things are arranged in alphabetical order. And now scroll down and go all the way to where it says Windows Error Reporting Service. Alright, now once you have found it, uncheck the box right next to it. And now scroll up and do the same thing for problems, reports, and solutions. And now I'm going to scroll up, and let's see, there you go, right there, right next to it. I'm going to uncheck this box. After doing all of this, click apply and then click OK, and then Windows will prompt you to restart your PC. So restart your PC for these changes to take place. Well, what if even this does not work? And so far we've tried a number of things, and by now you are probably getting tired and you are probably thinking, wow, am I ever going to fix this? Don't lose heart, there is one last drastic measure. Well, what you can do now is a factory or a system reset. Not a system restore, but a system reset. We are going to revert everything back to factory settings. So basically this is like buying your computer brand new all over again. To do this, click the start button and then type reset in the search field. And then from the search results, click reset this PC. And then this will open the recovery settings, and now under where it says reset this PC, click get started. And now you should see two options. You can choose to keep your files or remove everything, but by doing this there's a high chance this problem will be fixed because it's a complete system reset. Alright, so these were all of the ways that you can fix the screen flickering issues on Windows 10. For more easy, simple, and straight to the point videos like this, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.